Welcome back to headlines today. We've got breaking news coming out of Jammu and Kashmir, where a fierce firefight is underway between militants and security forces in the Chankan area of Sopore in North Kashmir. Security forces claim at least 2 militants, maybe up to 3, are hiding in a residential building in that area. In that firefight, reports say 4 policemen have been injured. There's news coming in just a few moments ago of another encounter breaking out in Kashmir. 4 policemen injured so far, according to reports, and up to 3 militants believed to be hiding in the area in Chankan in Sopore. Shuja ul Haq is on the phone line for more on the story. Shuja, what are your sources telling you from the area?
Yeah, the encounter has begun early this morning. Basically, there was an input about the presence of these militants in this area, and a search and coordination team was dispatched. But we are learning that the militants apparently initiated the first volley of gunfire on the police party, in which around 4 policemen have been injured. Subsequently, the entire area has been cordoned off, and this particular locality in which they are suspecting that these militants are hiding is constantly being monitored, and more forces have been deployed to cordon the adjacent areas as well. We are learning from our sources that a fierce gun battle is what what it looked like right from the beginning when the first volley of gunfire was exchanged. Remember, this comes just days after a similar encounter had happened in central Kashmir, in Budgam area, in which 1 militant later on was killed. So clearly, when it comes to winters, it looks like that the efforts have been made to increase the activities as far as the militancy is concerned.
Shuja, at this stage, do we know of the condition of those 4 policemen who've been injured?
Well, all of them have been rushed to the nearby hospitals. We are learning that one of them has been sent to Srinagar for an elaborate treatment. But as of now, the sources are saying that one of them remains to be critical, but the others are though injured, but are out of danger.
So, many thanks for the updates there. We'll continue to track that encounter in Sopore as we get updates.